Okay. Geometry F3 exterior angle theorem. I will read this in just a second, but I'm going to show you something real quick. For some of you, you're going to be like, oh, that's kind of cool. And for the rest of you, you're going to be like, what in the world are you talking about? Bear with me. It's going to be way easier than what I'm making it, but for some of you, you need to know why. So here's the deal. So we have this triangle right here. What angles make up this triangle? A, B, and D, right? And angles in a triangle add up to be 180. So I'm going to write that down. A plus B plus D equals 180 because they are triangles. Okay, watch this. These two angles right here, this angle D and this angle C. Well, they're half of a circle, aren't they? Or they make up a line. And how many angle degrees is in a line? 180. So C plus D equals 180. Both of those are true statements. A plus B plus D equals 180 and C plus D equals 180. Now watch. If both of them equal 180, if A plus B plus D equals 180 and C plus D equals 180, wouldn't A plus B plus D equal C plus D? Yeah, because if they both equal 180, then they're going to equal each other. And then if there is a D on both sides, if we cancel those out, then we would be left with A plus B equals C. Now what's going on? This is A and this is B. If I add these up, I would get this number. Okay? So the two inside angles that is away from an outside angle, C is on the outside, and A and B are away from C, it's not touching it like D is, they will add up to equal the outside angle. So A plus B equals C. Angle 1 is on the outside. 55 is not touching angle 1. 31 is not touching angle 1. So if I'm looking for how big angle 1 is, I'm going to do 55 plus 31 equals 84. If these two add up to be 84, then this one is 84. So this is 84, and then you go on to the next one. These two add up to be 63. So this is 63, and that is 63. If I add these up, I get 137. So this angle right here is 137 degrees wide. All right, different. On this one, we are given the outside angle. So we know 116 plus angle 1. If we add these up, we would get the outside angle, which is 147. So if I'm looking for how big angle 1 is, I would subtract right there and get 31. So 31. I'm going to add these up to equal this, right? So we have x plus x minus 20 to equal x plus 41. I'm going to scoot this up so I have a little bit more room to work. There's two x's right here. So x plus x is 2x minus 20 equals x plus 41. I apologize that you cannot read that. We're going to add the 20. So 2x equals 1x plus 61. We're going to subtract the 1x. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1x is the same thing as x. X is 61. The question is, what is x? So it's 61. Inside angles, outside angle, a plus 2 equals a plus 33. A plus a is 2a plus 2 equals a plus 33. Subtract the 1a. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1a plus 2 equals 33. Subtract the 2. A equals 31. It's looking for A. 31 is your answer. Inside, inside, outside. 34 plus angle 1 equals 72. So subtract the 34. Angle 1 equals 38. Last one. Inside, inside. So 2x minus 23 plus 1x plus 8 equals 1x plus 40. 3x minus 15 equals 1x plus 40. Subtract the 1x. Add the 15. $55 divided by 2. 55 divided by 2 is 27.5. Round to the nearest tenth. We really didn't have to round because it was a terminating decimal with a tenth in its place. Okay, so it's 27.5.